KVM, the economical concept for block packaging to meet market and customer requirements. With the KVM series, Wolf has developed a machine concept which consistently fulfills the demands of retail chains for low-cost packaging, which helps to promote sales and meet logistics requirements at the same time. The system is ideal for packaging powder or bulk products, for example flour, sugar, beans, coffee, pasta, sweets, etc., in block-bottom bags with numerous creative top closure possibilities, regardless of whether the packaging is finished with standing or seal-down head seam, with a clip closure or with a label closure. The KVM is convincing thanks to its compact structure. It permits high capacity on a small production area. The modular components mean that the system can be optimally adapted to customer-specific packaging problems. The principle of operation is based on the proven, reliable bag technique from Wolf, one of the remarkable features being the use of servo drive technology. For product dosing, cup or auger feeders or dosing weighers are used, depending upon the particular product. The system's filling module. Film coming from the flat reel and being formed into a tube. Closing of the vertical seam, which can either be asymmetric or centered. Bottom closing and careful filling from above. Length cut of the bag. Transfer to the closure modules of the system. Vibration area. Head processing station. Head shaping and air expelling. Sealing, cutting, suction of cut ends and 180-degree folding of the top of the bag. Additional 90-degree folding of the top. Attachment of a label or adhesive strip. Transfer to attached aggregates such as check weigher or end-of-line packaging units. The most important machine functions are implemented using the latest servo drive technology. All production parameters are monitored, controlled and optimized via a PLC controller. The program data requested by the customer are already pre-installed. Simple, user-friendly operation. At a convenient colour touch panel, the operator selects the menu corresponding to his format from up to 100 stored programs, or he can change it individually. Convincing advantages. More flexibility, thanks to versatile packaging shapes. Block packaging with seal-down head seam. 180-degree folded head seam. Closed. Bag with clip closure. Adhesive strip. Label closure. Here, a wide range of bag forms produced on various Wolf machines. Higher sales impact due to the best advertising effect, comparable with a folding carton. Reduced packaging material costs as a result of the possibility of processing very thin, lower-cost packaging material. Space saving thanks to compact, stackable block-bottom bags. Low logistics costs due to the saving of transport, packaging, energy and storage space. Optional equipment. Printing or coding devices, additional label attachment. Check weigher. Customer-specific transport systems. Modem connection for remote data transmission. PC connection. The new KVM offers the user the highest marketing flexibility at an outstanding price-performance ratio.